The land, these are the crosses which has magnets on it. And now the poppies. Okay, this is again poppies, and you could see that they are different in colors. The sticks are different in colors, and here they can do the matching. Okay, so I already put some purple color. You can give them the name of the color also if you like. If your child knows the color name, you can say the name, and if not, just show them the color and they can put it, and then later on they can do it by themselves. And it's very easy work, and you will see it's beautiful poppies you can make out of those certain petals you could find from Dollarama. All these things are bought from Dollar Tree or Dollarama. So this is a pouring exercise with the poppy seeds. In Montessori, we call it funnel exercise. And this is my favorite pegging exercise for fine motor movement. Again, I made it by myself. I couldn't find any poppy. You could see it's easy. Okay, so you could see the child needs to use the markers. I put different colors, not only red and black, but I put other colors so they can not only trace this and color here, but they can color on November 11th and Remembrance Day. Yeah, that's another activity, and those markers have the erasers at the back, so they can later on they can clean it and put it back on the shelf for the next child. Now this, I'm very proud of myself that I made this. This is carved. I carved it, and the color is there, and the children can use, even the babies can use the marker on it. And those are washable markers, and it's written my first marker here, and they are triangular, and the child can use the marker and trace these easily. And never mind if they will color inside, because inside has to be red anyway. So if anybody will do that, you don't have to worry about. And they are washable, so you can clean it later on. Okay, so now I have a poking exercise. Usually people use pokers for the poking exercise. I don't like pokers. It always hurt me, so it hurts children too. I instead want to use the needles, and needles are doing the same work. You can do the poking. Children has to trace with the needles, and you can see it's breaking when they will poke closely. Start. Take it. I'm making it. With using a needle. Children can do that. Okay. I'll put this here. And we have colors here. Just okay. Now I have some coloring of poppy, and it's easy for the child. They need to color here the black color, and around it will be red. The child can do anything. It's up to him or her. And you can use, I put two types of colors here. Hi, please do not forget to share and like and subscribe my videos. Thank you.